Hello guys, welcome to another quick tutorial on Python. In this video, we'll learn how to read and display Excel files using Python's one of the powerful library that is Pandas. If you are working with data, this is an essential skill to have. As you can see here in this example, we'll try to read the data from this Excel in our Python. So let's read the data of this Excel in our Python. For that one, first let me open the code editor. As I said, we are going to use Pandas library for this one. So we need to have the Pandas library in our system. If you don't have installed this one in your system, open the terminal and in the terminal window write pip install pandas and then press enter. It will install the pandas library in your application. As I have already have this in my system, it's showing as requirement already satisfied. So once we have pandas installed in our system, the next step is import the pandas library in your Python file or script. For that one, let me write the import statement import pandas and I will give a alias name as pd. So this will help us to keep our code nice and clean. Next, let's read our Excel file using pandas read Excel function. So before that one, let me add the file path. As you can see here, I have kept the file in the same folder where I have my Python file. So I can mention the file name .xlsx. If you have that file within any other folder, you can add that relative path here. So in this code, we are storing the file path in a variable called file underscore path. Next step is let's read the Excel file. For that one, let me create one variable by name df and we have a pandas and we have assigned that one to pd as the alias name. So we can make use of this alias name pd and within this one we have a function by name read excel. So within this read excel function we need to pass the path as a parameter as we have already defined file underscore path. So let me copy that one and put it within this read underscore excel function. So now whatever the content is within this file that will be read by this read underscore excel function with the help of pandas, and finally we are going to store that one in df. So the final step is let's print this content whatever we have received here. For that one, I'll be using print statement and within this print statement I'll be adding this df variable whatever we have done here. That's it. Now let's run our Python script. You can use the run icon which is in your code editor. So let's click on that one. As you can see here, we got the content whatever is in our Excel and that is being displayed here. So these are the simple few steps which you need to follow to read the Excel content using Pandas library. So that's it guys for this short video. Thanks for watching this. If you like this, please click on like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel.